Phil's Science Lab, sponsored by ESB's Generation Tomorrow programme, supporting initiatives that help young people develop key skills in science, technology, engineering, arts and maths.
Now we're looking forward to this all morning. During the spell of great weather we're having at the moment, a lot of people are enjoying an ice-cold fizzy drink in their back garden. But did you know you can make your own fizzy drinks at home? Yes, you can. And we got our resident scientist, Phil Smith, on the case because what the saying goes, when life gives you lemons, why not make some fizzy lemonade? Good morning to you, Phil. How are you?
I'm doing good. I thought we'd try and do some little bit of science, tasting science, and explain. There's an experiment that kind of people do a lot, which is baking soda and vinegar. I thought like people might be getting a little bit bored with that because it's been locked in for a while. So I wanted to talk about the science behind that, but use it then to make something tasty like the lemonade.
Okay.
So
well, let's get on to it then.
Right. The first thing I'd like you to do is we'll demonstrate this reaction. So take one of the glasses, take some of the baking powder, baking soda, which is like carbonate soda. And I want you to put 2 spoons of the baking soda into one of the glasses.
How many spoons?
2, please.
2, okay. 2 nice big spoons, yeah.
And then what I'd like you to do once you've done that is you should have it near your table. You should have some vinegar.
Yeah, I have vinegar here.
Vinegar is acetic acid, so you've got bicarbonate soda and vinegar. So you're going to add the vinegar to the bicarbonate soda and stop. Add a little bit, about a third, and you'll see it fizz and fizz and fizz and fizzle. You're getting that.
It certainly is.
Reaction.
Oh.
Perfect. This is a good start. So what that is you've got bicarbonate of soda, which has a chemical symbol of NaHCO2 or CO3. But when it breaks down, meets with the acetate, it gives off CO2. And in the fizzy drinks we have, carbonated drinks are drinks that have CO2, carbon dioxide, what we breathe out in them. So what we're going to do is we're going to use similar reaction to that to make our fizzy lemonade. So what we need to make fizzy lemonade
so
is...
don't be drinking this then. This is not good. We put this to one side.
Don't drink that. That's a definite point. Smell it. And
you can smell it, yeah.
Smell.
Okay,
so take your lemon, just put half a lemon there in front of you and a juicer.
Yes.
And you're going to juice the lemon into one of the glasses there. So as you would imagine, you're going to put it in and try not to make a mess. But this is really good for kids because it improves their motor skills and also you can teach them about what's happening inside the lemon. But you're basically getting the juice out of the lemon and squeezing it into the glass. Now,
how many lemons would you do?
Well, you do as many as you want to make in terms of lemonade. The balance is the same amount of lemonade for water. So for this one glass, you'd probably need 3. I've squeezed some fresh lemon juice for you already, Alan, so you don't have to do all of this. There should be another.
Oh, I do, yeah, I have it here. Thank you very much for that, saving me doing it. But you know what, we'll do another one. We'll get the nice fresh ones in. So
yes, do.
And are we putting the glass up to what, half full?
No, about a third full, please.
Okay.
We've got a third full, and we're going to add in the same amount of water then. So you should have water beside you. So add in another third of water. So now what we've got in the glass is we've got lemon juice. But lemon juice is an acid. So we've got an acid within. We've got citric acid in this. So we've got an acid, we've got water. And what I'd like you to do now is to take the baking powder that you had earlier on, which is bicarbonate of soda. So you've got this chemical reaction that's going to happen. And take a half a teaspoon.
Half a teaspoon. Okay.
Half a teaspoon.
Yeah.
And we're going to add this to the mixture. What do you think is going to happen?
It's going to fizz up.
Exactly. So if you drop that in, give it a little bit of a quick stir and stop. You should be getting a bit of fizz going on. Which is nice. And it's fizzy. Then you're going to add the same amount, about a spoon of sugar. Now, depending on how sweet you'd like this, you'd add in more or less sugar. Again, this is the kind of thing with your kids you want to do. You look at changing one of the variables in science and look for balance. If you have ice, you can
maybe a half a spoon of sugar or a spoonful of sugar. Depends on your taste, is it?
A spoonful of sugar makes the lemonade go down. I'm sure is what Mary Poppins said. So, so you should now have a mixture that's fizzy. You've got acid mixed with a base. which is a soda bar, and it should be fizzy, and it should be tasty, Alan. So I'm going to ask you to have a swig of this. You'll take it.
Really? Do I have to taste it?
Definitely. Trust it, Alan. See how it works. I'm hoping.
So it's baking, it's just some lemons, get some baking powder, put it in, it all fizzes up. The children will love the fact that it's fizzing up, and then a little bit of sugar to sweeten it.
This is it. So you're basically taking something that was a reaction that you see like volcanoes or just carbonic acid or sodium bicarbonate, mixing with an acid, combining chemical reaction, and how does it taste?
I think it might need a bit more sugar.
Okay, well, now you're looking at the balancing. So you've got actually about 20-30 minutes of finding out the right combination of things, changing variables right after. And that's a little bit of science. That's what seeing is all about.
Very good science. And do you know what, Phil? Wouldn't it? The actual children would love to start doing that today.
Exactly. And it's such a nice day out. You get to drink it afterwards. What more could you want?
Oh, it's better the more sugar you put in. But then you shouldn't be losing lots of sugar. But do you know what? It's only a little bit of fun to do it. You're not going to be drinking gallons of it throughout the day.
No, you're not. And so the balance between sugar is obviously good, but also the amount of sodium bicarbonate you want to add in. So you're looking at even drawing out a little table, planning stuff out. So something that you could do quite quickly that could take 3 minutes to make, you could actually draw out into a full lesson or a full experience that could last half an hour or even longer.
As always, great seeing you, Phil. Thank you so much for that. Now, if you've been following our experiments this morning, we'd love to see some of the pictures of you actually trying our lemonade. So you can send them into irelandam@virginmedia.ie or WhatsApp them. The number is 089 611 111. We're going to take a quick break now. We'll see you for lots more after these.
Phil's Science Lab, sponsored by ESB's Generation Tomorrow programme. Check out esb.ie/Generation Tomorrow to start discovering.